If you asked how to make money from Google News, you have come to the right video. This may be the easiest way to make money online without selling anything or doing any kind of marketing. With this method, you don't need to build your website or create your channel on YouTube. To be exact, you don't need any social following or audience whatsoever. Today, I'm going to show you how to make $500 per day from Google News. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. All you will need to make money with this method is to follow the steps I'm about to show you in the article. Yeah, it's that simple. I will show you how to implement this method to make $100, $500, or even $1,000 online in 4 simple steps. I will show you every step in detail, so at the end, you will be able to start earning money. Later, I will also be showing you how to earn more money with additional websites and double or even triple your earnings. From here, you have 3 options. Using AI CompuWriter like Jarvis, you can write a whole article in just a few minutes. All you have to do is give Jarvis a topic, and the powerful AI writer will do the rest. This way, you can write a better and a longer article in just a few minutes and earn money from it. You will see how in just a second. The second way is to research the topic based on the article you found, and then rewrite an article better than this one. You can use websites like thesaurus.com to help you find synonyms, add more subtitles and ideas, and basically sit on your butt for a few hours writing your own piece of content. But if you have no time to write an article of your own, or you just don't have those writing skills, you can do it the second way. This is less ethical, but still legit. It is free, and it takes only a few minutes of your time. The third way is to copy the text from the article you have found and paste it into a software called Spinbot, or another free article spinner. I will show you how to do it. Go to spinbot.com, paste the text from the article in the box, check the I am not a robot box, and click on Go. Spinbot will rephrase your text and replace the words using synonyms and switching the order. And now you have your own original text. In the box underneath, you will see the rewritten text, but please don't use it just like that. First, read the text and make sure it's different enough on one hand and makes sense on the other hand. I would suggest using a free Chrome extension called Grammarly to help you. Download Grammarly, then copy the rewritten text to Word Counter, and you will see this little circle on the right bottom side. The red color means your text has some mistakes. Just click on the text and it'll correct the words. I have a pro version, so Grammarly would suggest rephrasing the whole sentence in my case. Three ways to make money from Google News. The first way to make money from Google News that you probably have heard of is to build your free website with Google Sites, GrooveFunnels, Wix, or another free website builder. And to publish many articles. This is the long-term business model, and in the back end, you will make sales promoting affiliate products or eventually placing ads on your site. The second way is to make a video from this article using software like Pictory AI. Here, you can make a video in 5 minutes. You just paste the article in the box, and the AI will find the right footage and music with captions and even a voiceover. Then you will publish the video on your channel and wait for the viewers to come. This way is also long-term, and the earning will come mainly from affiliate links or ads. I have a better way for you too. Here, you don't have to build websites and aren't required to publish any videos. There are websites that will pay you money for your article. Some of them will even pay you $1 for a word. If you have a 1,000-word article, which most of them are, you can earn up to $1,000 for every article. In the video below, I am showing you a few of those websites and how they work. The full list of the websites that will pay you at least $100 per article you'll find below this video. Think about it. You can make those articles in a few minutes, or max, in a few hours, if you write them on your own. If you make one article every day, you can earn at least $100 per day. Most of those websites will pay you much more. Here are some ideas of works almost everyone can do. Writing blog. As the publisher of a blog, advertising can provide a healthy revenue stream for your online content. Advertisers are willing to pay to gain exposure to your audience. In the same way that a newspaper with a large circulation can charge advertisers more, the more popular your site and content become, the more you can earn. You can offer advertising space on your site directly to businesses that want to appear alongside your content. That's called a direct deal. You can also use an ad network, such as Google AdSense, to sell your ad space on your behalf. The way AdSense works is by serving ads that are relevant to the content appearing on a specific page of your blog. For example, if your blog is about adventure travel and you've just uploaded a post about a trip to Reykjavik, AdSense might show an ad about travel insurance, Iceland, or warm clothing. As the owner of the site where the ad is appearing, AdSense pays you when a user views or interacts with an ad. With the ability to make online ads relevant to the content and readership of your blog, many advertisers are keen to pay a premium price for your ad space. Create the right type of website for Google AdSense. Certain types of sites perform better than others when it comes to generating Google AdSense revenue. The two things you need to make money with AdSense are great content and a lot of traffic. In terms of content, there are two types of content. There is content that attracts new people to your site every day, and there is content that brings visitors back every day. Ideally, you want to have a good balance of both. That way, you are always bringing in new traffic and making sure that a good portion of that new traffic becomes loyal visitors. Use different types of ad units. Different companies will use different types of ad styles when creating their ads through the advertiser end of things, Google AdWords. They will have the option to create simple text-based ads, image ads, and video ads. Since advertisers will have the option of creating ads in different formats, you should give your audience the chance to connect with advertisers whose ads they are most likely to click upon by utilizing different types of ad units on your site. When deciding which type of ads to use and where to place them, be sure to keep your user experience in mind. You should always have more content than ads on your page. Use Google Analytics to test the number, placement, and style of ads on your site to see what works best with your site and visitors. Deploy AdSense custom search ads. If you have a site with a lot of content, blogs, news, forums, and more, you could utilize AdSense custom search on your site. Not only would it provide your users a great experience by allowing them to find specific content on your site, it would also help you maximize your Google AdSense profits by showing ads alongside your site's search results. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.